Assigning tags to other items such as fittings and specialty items. For instance, let's try and assign a tag to the reducer. You can see that assign tag is grayed out. Let's go to fittings and apply a fitting that tagging is valid for, such as a strainer. Place the strainer, assign tag, and you can see assign tag is also grayed out. So let's have a look at what's happening in project setup. P&ID definitions, engineering items, inline assets, pipe fittings, and you can see pipe fittings do not have a tag format, and it's not possible to create a tag format, but pipe specialty fittings do have a tag format. So let's have a look at the temporary strainer and see what's happening there. Temporary strainer, there's a tag format, edit symbol, and you can see not a tag component. Tagging format is set to not a tag component. Tag prompt, so let's set that to prompt for tag. Okay, apply. So now when we select the strainer, we can assign a tag. Type, number, place the annotation, select the annotation style. So that's how you can activate tags for components that can be tagged but don't have the tagging prompt activated.